place where everyone who entered its gates would be given the gift of a young at heart, the power to wish upon a star and unlock its magic. Are you ready to wish upon a star? Then it's time to open your heart and remember, dreams come true.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, wish I might, have a wish, I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do. And all our wishes will come makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come true.
In 1955, a magical place was born. And in this marvelous kingdom, there lived many delightful friends who made our dreams come true. An enchanting place where storybook heroes and daring adventures waited around every corner. Tonight we're going to share a wonderful dream come true together. In 1955, an amazing man named Walt Disney dreamt of a magic kingdom.
Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past, and here youth may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world.
Try window flash.
Disneyland
The one with that has a lightning
now
bolt.
leaving for a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom.
Did I lightning bolt? Arrow? Yeah, flash. Ah, one off. That's it. That's right.
Disneyland's Main Street electrical.
And the flowers bloom.
The gods have been angered by all this.
There's a part, there's a part.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge: to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rat quality, it's time to respond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
Be sure to bring death certificate.
No, that's awesome.
Right your powers, you blooming cockroaches! Stand by in the gun! Fire at will! A ghost, yes, very strong! Oh, no, blood! Oh, no! Aye, that'll show you, build rats!